How to add moving text in CapCut. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you step by step that how you can add moving text in CapCut. So let's dive in. First, you have to open your CapCut app, and now just simply add your video or the project that you want to work on, and then click text, and then click add text. And now just enter any text that you want over here, and once done, click over here, and now click this tick over here. And now you can just adjust its placement, and then in this bar you have to just slide until you find the option that says tracking. Once you find the option, click it, and now just adjust the tracking and then click this tick. Now simply click start tracking over here, and you can see it's starting the tracking, and once done your text will start moving, and that's how you do it. I hope you found the process easy and liked my video, and if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you again.